Set within expansive parkland near Edinburgh, Dalkeith Palace stands as one of Scotland's grandest aristocratic residences. Surrounded by forests and rivers, the palace reflects centuries of noble power and architectural transformation. The site originally began as a medieval castle associated with the powerful Douglas family, one of Scotland's most influential noble dynasties. Its strategic location near Edinburgh made it politically significant during medieval conflicts. In the 18th century, the older fortress was transformed into the grand palace seen today by the Buccleuch family. Inspired by classical architecture, the redesign emphasized elegance, symmetry, and aristocratic prestige rather than military defense. Dalkeith Palace became an important social and political centre, hosting royalty, nobles, and influential figures throughout Scottish history. Its interiors and landscaped grounds reflected the wealth and status of the Dukes of Buccleuch. Over time, the palace adapted to changing roles. It served as a military hospital during World War I and later became connected to educational and public uses, ensuring the estate remained active long after the decline of aristocratic political influence. Not far from Dalkeith Palace stands Melville Castle, another historic estate linked to Scotland's noble heritage. Dalkeith Palace remains the larger and more dominant symbol of noble grandeur in the region.